Smith Douglas Homes is known for making homeownership attainable, and today we're here in Cartersville at one of their new and award-winning communities, Jackson Farm. And we're going to catch up with Michelle and find out why it's one of her favorite neighborhoods she's ever sold. Well, Michelle, you've been in the new construction industry for 25 years and have worked for Smith Douglas Homes for the past 8. So I would love to know from your perspective, how does the neighborhood of Jackson Farm kind of stack up against some of the other neighborhoods you've sold?
Well, it is my most favorite neighborhood. The Jackson family owned it, and it was their dairy farm, and that's why the silos are out front when you come in the neighborhood. We will have 191 homes, a variety of ranch and two-story plans, in a beautiful setting of winding sidewalks and quiet cul-de-sacs. Our prices are from the mid-300s. Whether you're interested in a ready-soon home or prefer to build from the ground up, we have the perfect home for you.
And Michelle, I understand there's some great amenities coming next summer.
There'll be a swimming pool with an oversized cabana and a sun deck.
And what about the area of Cartersville? I know that it's changed a lot over the years, so what can you tell us?
Gosh, it has changed a lot. The downtown area is very historic. We've got a lot of little boutiques and restaurants that weren't here several years ago. I do want to mention that we're in the much sought after Cartersville City School District.
And this floor plan is an award-winning floor plan. So what can you tell us about it, Michelle?
This is the Bradley floor plan. We have a nice covered entry coming into a wide foyer, leads you back into a very open concept with a chef's kitchen, nice large island, and then you turn around and you go back to the covered porch. The owner's suite is at the rear of the home. The owner's closet connects to the laundry room, and the other secondary bedrooms are in the front of the house. The Bradley plan also offers an optional 4th bedroom and 3rd bath over the garage.
Well, I can see why you love Jackson Farm so much, and if there's people out there that want to find out more, what's the best way to do that, Michelle?
You can either call me at 770-315-1261 or go to smithdouglas.com.
Well, Michelle, thanks so much for being here with me today, and you do not want to miss out on this fantastic community in Cartersville, Jackson Farm, with Smith Douglas Homes, and is your home, your choice, within reach.